YouTube? Hope you're doing well. So recently I was able to purchase a Bushmaster BA50 50 cal rifle, and it's obnoxiously huge. Like, it says it weighs 30 pounds, but I'm telling you, it feels like it weighs like 40. And the case, it's as heavier than the gun. It's ridiculous. But it does have rollers. So if you got rollers, it makes it way better. I'd had it for a little while. Friends and I got together. We had a good place to get out and kind of fire a few rounds and see what it was like. And we played with a little bit of tannerite. So let's get you right to the action first, though, okay? And let you watch some of this. So after we fired off, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 rounds of the 50 cal into that cedar stump. It's ball ammo, so it's just ripping right through it. And my buddy had made the comment, Eric, he's like, hey, I just want to see if it'll split it. And I told him, I said, if it won't split it, I said, I'll put some tannerite on it. And I said, it'll not only split it, I said, I might be able to go above the trees. I'll let you figure out if I went above the tree line or not.
Like and subscribe if you want more of this shit.